Uploading your device data to Carelink personal software allows you to take a more active role in managing your condition and allows you to share your data with your healthcare professional. To begin, plug in your Carelink USB or the meter that came with your insulin pump. Use the white Carelink USB for Paradigm pumps or the black Carelink USB for MiniMed 600 series pumps. It may take a few seconds for your computer to recognize it. Next, enter your username and password to sign into Carelink personal website and click on Upload Device. The uploader will start. On the first screen, select Add Device for each pump or meter you wish to upload. You only need to do this once for each device. Choose whether you want to upload a pump or meter. In this example, to upload your pump, click Add New Pump. Select your pump model. As an example, for the MiniMed 670G system, select MiniMed 600 series and click Next. Type in your pump serial number. Find your pump's serial number on the back of the pump, type in the serial number, and click Next. The next screen lists things to watch out for before you can upload successfully. Make sure your device is ready by reviewing the checklist on the screen. Click Add Pump after the test is complete and you can start your upload. Once you've added your device, you'll be able to quickly select that device from your list. After selecting the device that you want to upload, check to make sure your device is ready and click Upload Now to continue. Click Upload Now, and in a few minutes, you'll be able to get your Carelink reports. With Carelink reports, you'll be able to learn more about your diabetes, which will allow you to take a more active role in managing your diabetes. If you haven't already, ask your physician if they'd like to link your Carelink personal account and automatically get your data without uploading in the office.